guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm going to be doing this look for you guys, which is just a peachy all matte smoky eye. It's like a soft smoky eye. I did just receive some of the new Too Faced peach collection, so they extended the collection and I just received some of the products, and I did include the older peach products in this video as well. And at the end of the video I will let you guys know my thoughts on each and every product that I did use in this video. So before we move on, I do want to announce that I am having a mini giveaway again in this video. Today I will be giving away 6 of the Peach Kiss Moisturized Matte Longwear Lipstick by Too Faced. So one of you lucky winner will be winning these 6 lipsticks from the Too Faced Peach collection. The rules are always going to be the same, super easy, super simple. You just have to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment anything down below in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's really it, and I will be selecting the winner in my next video. So if you watched my previous video, you would know that I did a giveaway on the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks, and I will be picking the winner right now before we move on to the tutorial. Alright, so the lucky winner from my fall makeup tutorial 2018 is Gina Tavares, and she said, "I love this look, gonna practice just in time for a fall look." Yay, congrats Gina. Be sure to DM me on Instagram at LOVEEMANDA. I will leave my Instagram name right over here, and go ahead and claim your prize. Send me your address and I will go ahead and ship the lipsticks out to you. Without further ado, let's just roll into this. So for primer, I was gonna use my Too Faced Peach Perfect Primer or something like that, but I lost it. I honestly don't know where I put it. So today we're just gonna go ahead and use the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Primer. I've actually been loving this a lot, and if you want something that's less matte, Huda also came out with the dewy finish one. So up next is foundation. I'm going to be using the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation right here, and I do have 2 colors. They are Natural Beige and Warm Beige. So next I'm going to be working on the eyes, and I am going to be using the Too Faced Just a Peachy Matte palette. I haven't really used this much. I basically only use like these 2 colors, probably one. To set my base, I'm just gonna take the color Peach Butter right here, and I'm just gonna take that on a fluffy blending brush and just setting everything. I do this all the time before I apply my shadows. Sometimes I include it in my tutorials, other times I just cut it out. Peach Tea, which is right here, and I'm just gonna take that all over the crease. I feel like I haven't done a matte look in a long time, so I'm really excited. Right, next I'm gonna be taking Peach Cobbler, which is the color next to Peach Tea, and this one I'm just gonna, ooh, this is such a pretty color. Okay, this one I'm just gonna go right underneath the first color. Also gonna put that on the outer V, and then just kind of bringing it into like the inner part of the eyes right below the first color. I'm gonna be going in with Peach Tart, which is like that darker brown color. I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner. I'm just gonna be taking some concealer. I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape. Lightly carve out half of my crease just so I have a nice foundation to put my lid color on. So I'm gonna be taking Peaches and Cream, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid just to set that concealer we just put down. Fresh Picked. I'm just gonna put that all over just to blend everything. Going back to the dark brown, which is Peach Tart. Just gonna pop that onto the outer V once more just to intensify that color. So now moving on to the concealer, I'm going to be using my Flower Beauty concealer. And then to set, I'm going to be using the Peach Perfect powder. I personally forgot how this performs. It does taste like peach though. Okay, so I'm going to take that and set. I feel like it performs well, it performs okay. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil as my base. Alright, and then I'm going to be using my L'Oreal bronzer in the color C8. This is the True Match powder. I'm going to take a little bit of that just to deepen up the bronzer a little bit. Then now moving on to one of the new products, and this is the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. Wow. Ooh, so we got Peach Pearl, Peach Honey. It looks like one is like a lighter highlight and then the darker highlight, and then we got some blushes here. We get a peachy blush and a pink blush. So I'm gonna take the peachy blush a little bit and put that on the apples. Ooh, this is pretty. I love, yes. I'm gonna take Peach Pearl for the highlight here. Let's see how this performs. Ooh, let me. Oh wow, that's very beautiful and blinding. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Peach Honey as well. So I'm just gonna mix the two colors. Take Peach Pearl and Peach Honey mixed together. Yep, like so. This is pretty. For the inner corner, I'm gonna take Peach Pearl once again. And I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer, wetting that. Ooh, that's very beautiful. It did say you can wet this palette. You can use a wet. And yeah, when you wet it, wow, it performs 10 times more intense. I love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the lower lash line, which is gonna be super simple. You already know. A little bit of peach cobbler and then a little bit of peach tart. Just taking a peach cobbler under here. Take a little bit of the peach tart on the outer corner. Take my Flower Beauty lip liner. Camera died, but I did mix the new lipsticks from Too Faced. It's called Sunday Funday, which is like a nude, and I put this one first. Ooh. And I put this one first, and then I topped it off with the Undercover Lover. This is what it looks like, and this is the outcome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this look all matte, but you can go ahead and top it off with a gloss if you would like to. But honestly, I am loving the formula for these lipsticks because they're not drying and they're not super like matte and like, you know, feel super drying basically. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair really quick and I will be right. So this is basically the completed look. Super easy, super simple, definitely beginner friendly. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So a few products that I definitely recommend are for sure the Just Peachy Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I think this palette is really, really nice. Very blendable and all the colors just blend into each other so seamlessly. Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette is also really, really pretty. You can definitely use these colors on your eyes or on your face, and you can use it wet and dry. And like I said, the pigmentation, and as you can see, the pigmentation is so amazing. It looks amazing on. It really reminds me of the of my favorite highlight, which was the Soulmate by I Love Sarahi. Alright guys, so thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.